Hi guys! Today we are going to unbox the new and improved Keon Sondra LEDs. So, this is a headlight for the Montero Sport 2014. So, yung old model ko may i-improve pa pala yun. Una, ayoko maniwala eh. Pero totoo, brads. So, yung isang ganito nakakabit na sa Jimny, kaya ako nasasabi to. And pati packaging, the best eh. Yan. So this is the new and improved Keon Sondra LEDs. Alright, let's go. So merong, sa mga mag-o-open nito para hindi ma-damage yung box or whatever, merong release yan, oh. Yan. So dyan natin. Shout out to Sir June and to Sir Rafi. Thank you very much for these headlights. Okay. Safe mobility, family safety. Yan, Keon Sondra headlights. So, kung pansin nyo, may Tagalog ano pa, no? So, Keon Sondra is a Filipino brand made for Filipinos. So, kung paano yung driving style natin dito, inadapt nila para maging maayos. Hindi yung basta bumuo lang sila ng mga LEDs. So, tested to, no? Sobrang daming beses bago ilabas. Yan. Ayan, ito yung sinasabi ni Sir na proper heat dissipation. Hindi na kailangan ng fan. Kasi pag fan, titigil yung maputi ka, nag-offroad ka, tumalsik sa fan yung putek, wala na, titigil na yon. Pag tumigil, umikot yung fan, so wala na siyang parang insulation, wala nang proper heat dissipation, masusunog to. Sunog yung motor kasi pupwersahin niya pa rin eh na umilaw kahit walang fan. Pag nasunog yan, kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga nasusunog na kotse sa unahan lagi nagsisimula, yun lang lagi yon, either wiring or yung headlights nasusunog. Okay, so ayan, sobrang quality. Installation diagram. So, pwede mong i-install ng ikaw lang. Halimbawa, bibili ka online or pwede kang pumunta doon sa Mandaluyong, no? Sa office nila, i-waze nyo lang Keon Sondra. Pero kung ipapaship mo ito, mai-install mo to sigurado kasi may instructions eh. Kayang-kaya naman yan. Common sense na lang yan, mga bros. Okay. Warranty. Keon Sondra provides 14 months warranty on all products based on date of purchase. Keon Sondra will repair or replace the unit if it is found to be defective due to workmanship or materials. This warranty does not extend to damage resulting from misuse, neglect or abuse, or accident. Foreign customers can enjoy the same warranty on services after a video is sent recording the problems encountered with the product. Please include the complete serial number in the video with a complete warranty card and send it to Ask KS. Yan. All Keon Sondra products pass the quality test when released. Warranty period is 14 months. So, 1 year and 2 months lang. Okay, Tagalog version pala to. Ayun. Safe mobility, family safety. Number 1. Keon Sondra Philippines. Thank you, Sir June and Sir Rafi. Yes, sir. Here we go. Brighter lights for a safer drive. Yes. Believe that. Yes, sir. Okay, so plug and play lang talaga to. Sa totoo lang. Hindi kayo pahihirapan ito mag-install. Alright. Ayun. This is the proper heat dissipation. Hindi mo kailangan ng fan. Ang LED hindi kailangan ng fan. Dapat hindi fan. Dapat ganito. Braided na mga wire. So dito pupunta yung init niya. May hangin naman sa loob ng ng hood. May nagsisirculate na hangin doon. So yun. Heavy duty to sigurado yon. Tested ko na yan. Saan ko na nadala yung sasakyan ko. Mayroon pa kaming 24-hour trail. Naka-Keon na ako nun. Ubra. Paalala. In order to achieve the best cooling effect, please be sure to expand the braided heat dissipation belt after installing the LED bulb according to the principle of heat dissipation. Please read the manual inside the package. Thanks for trusting Keon, Sondra. God bless. Alright. So this is H11 for Montero Sport. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Alam ko, sa pagkakaalam ko, dapat nakahiga yan. Pag roskas mo, dapat nakahiga. So ganyan yung pwesto niya pag nakasalpak. Yan. Kita mo quality talaga. Hindi ko ine-expect na may i-improve pa talaga yung previous model, yung previous nila products. Same lang naman, Keon Sondra pa rin, pero this is the new and improved Keon Sondra. Hindi ko nakala, may improve pa yon. The best. Okay, so we have one, yung sa power supply niya. So ito plug and play to and then ito yung nakatago lang yan. Ayun. Okay, for the other one. Okay.
This is our design, Philippine design and concept. So from here, eto na siya. This is 10 braided heatsink. This is 12 braided heatsink.
Wow.
Tapos, so kailangan makapal. Tapos ang gaganda na ito, may extra reflector siya dito. So, ito wala pa So, I found out, nagagalaw mo. Pag nilagay mo, pwede mo siyang manipulate yung focusing. So, pag nakabit na, pwede natin manipulate dun sa best focus niya.
Okay.
So yun, kasi di ba habang nilalagay mo, nag-iiba rin yung focus So pag na-fix na siya, okay na siya. Tapos, yung tayo rin yung unang naglabas dati kasi H4 natin, pag naka-low beam, steady siya, di ba? Pag nag-high beam, sasakay yung high beam. Ang problema kasi sa mga H4 dati, yung mga halogen, pag nag-high beam ka, namamatay yung near field mo. Eto, engage pa rin yung near field. Talagang ini-improve natin,
Galing.
Yung maganda, pinagaganda natin. Ito, itsura, up and down. Eto, marami na.
Okay.
So this means to say, pag naka-low beam to, ito yung naka-on. To. Pag nag-high beam ka, hindi mamamatay low beam mo.
Subuhay rin to.
Yes, ito. Show it to you.
Okay.
Medyo malakas lang.
Wow.
Ayan yung low beam.
Okay.
Ayan, ganyan natin. Ayan low beam. Tama to yung dito nakailaw. Yung doon na nakailaw. Pag nag-high beam ka, lahat na. Ito, tsaka yung nasa loob. Tingnan mo.
Yes.
Talagang solid. So, nagiging 24,300 lumens na siya. Pero, maganda yung focus. Mas maganda to focus nito sa ano. Ito ikabit mo. Kita mo pa. Di ba ganyan yan? Ito na ngayon. Ganyan. Ito naka-point up. No? Tapos tingnan mo yung driver natin. Yung driver natin before, ganitong klase lang. Driver natin ngayon.
Ito pala yung DP nyo, no?
May extra heatsink tayo. Kasi umiinit to eh. Titingnan mo. Tsaka tingnan mo yung bigat. Iba na yung bigat mo yun. Medyo solid na. Talagang medyo premium na siya.
So yung lowest po, that's 4,300 Kelvin. That's our all-weather. Tapos ito po yung 5,000 natin, yung nasa middle. And then our bright white is 6,000 Kelvin.